Okay, as promised, our fuse block, it's live on the website. This is a nice guy, it's 200 amps max. It comes with four 20 amp, eight 20 amps boys, four per side. It comes with two of these little connectors. And that's how you wire it in. And your little blade fuses just go right there. And then down here, you got a J case. So you put up 50 amp J case fuse in this guy. So, and this is your in. So you'll have your in there, and then like I'll wire my hot on. So you have 3 leads on the pulse width modulated fans, like those fancy C6 and these newer guys. So that just makes it easy. I just run the hot right to that, and it's already fused. So let the pulse width turn it on and off, and yeah, then the other side's ground. So anyway, these are pretty cool, nice clean installation. Ingus, just like the SILD buzz bars that we carry. The other thing I want to talk about was these are bridgeable. So there is a time delay relay that we could get that plugs in here. And what it does is it kicks this off, I guess, after so many seconds. And it's also bridgeable. So you could have 2 of these both on that, that delay relay thing. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. And if this is just cool, I'm just happy. I'm getting ready to rewire the Phoenix because it was a mess in there. And super excited to put this stuff in. Link in the description below. Be sure to check it out on monkeyfabgarage.com. That's monkeyfabgarage.com.